check this out, you guys. This is a colony of Thatcher ants. Look at the size of this thing. It's maybe a 1.5 feet tall. It's not really huge. I've seen way bigger. Look at the size of this one. But look at these little guys. Hi. What you doing? These are some of the coolest insects. So these are Thatcher ants, and they build up this giant mound. We call it thatch. Look at this one. Ah! It's just essentially like needles and leaves and detritus. It's a bunch of random stuff that they just find on the ground here, and they build it up. They don't eat any of it, but they live in these huge colonies that sometimes can be like literally tens of thousands strong. There's one in Eastern Oregon that's like 10 acres and has 40 million individuals. This one's just a baby. Hi guys. This is their home. They build it up, they live inside of it, but they also live underground, so it can go up to almost like a meter underground. But the thing about them is that if you get close to them, if I was to touch any of these guys, or in the summertime when it's really just bustling, and I was just go whoosh over the top of this with my hand, all these little guys would squirt out formic acid.
Formic acid.
And so why do they do that? Well, they're protecting their home, of course, but they also use it to keep other plants away. They want sunlight to hit this, helps keep this warm, helps modulate temperature. It's a whole thing. But what they do is if something is growing nearby, say it's a little plant, maybe some of these little guys right here, they will actually chew into it and squirt formic acid into the plant to kill it and keep it away from their little colony. You can just go and find their little trails going all the way through the forest. And of course, they're going to be foraging stuff to make their home. They'll go find some insects to eat. They'll go get some honeydew that comes out of the back of aphids and scale insects and things like that. Super cool. I love this, man.